Throughout the Pacific Ocean, there are many places where rocky coastal areas exist. To sail safely there, we have to sail at an angle where the light of 3 lighthouses overlap and look like one lighthouse. Likewise, only when we set a goal and go to line up with God the Creator can we lead a peaceful life. When our goal does not agree with God's, we will wander meeting with many problems like rocks in the sea. However, when we set our course on God who created the heavens and the earth and all humanity, and set our goals and go toward Him, He will drive away the gusty winds and cause the waves to become calm. He will help our sailing through life to be safe.